Hello. Today we're learning a few signs that look similar. They're all near the chin, but the signs are different. I'll show you to clarify the differences. If you want to jump ahead, check the video's description for timestamps. Yesterday. Yesterday. The thumb, hand shape like this, touches the chin and moves up the jaw. Yesterday. Also, you may see it with a Y hand shape. This Y, like English, yesterday. Yesterday. I suggest yesterday. Tomorrow. The thumb again moves forward now. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Notice yesterday moves back in time, yesterday. Tomorrow moves forward into the future, tomorrow. Yesterday, tomorrow. Every day. So again, this hand shape, but now it's oriented with the palm and the tops of the fingers inward toward the jawline. Every day. Every day. The difference yesterday, it's the thumb contacting, not the fingers, the thumb, and the movement is backward, yesterday. Every day, it's the fingers moving forward. Twice. Every day. The thumb position is less specific. If you want to learn more related to expressing time concepts, I have a whole program for you. Okay, I'll add information below. It teaches signs related to time, the days, weeks, months, the clock times, future, past, present, duration, frequency. Okay, so take a look at that. Girl. Girl. Again, it's this hand shape with the thumb. And the thumb is what's making contact with the jawline. Palm is forward. So the hand shape, location, the contact point, orientation is similar to yesterday, right? Yesterday. Girl. It's a different movement. The movement is forward plus twice, girl. Or sometimes just once, girl. Girl or girl. Girl. Again, the difference is yesterday, girl, girl, every day. Every day. Yesterday, girl, every day. Yesterday, girl, girl, every day. Okay? All right, next is aunt or aunt. Now it's an A hand shape. The thumb is not extended, it's a regular A. And we're not touching the face at all. It's to the side of the head. Aunt. 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 similar to uncle. It's important that we're not touching the face here. It's to the side of the head. Girl, girl, ant, ant. Period, as in menstruation. Again, it's the A hand shape with the tops of the fingers touching the jaw or cheek twice. Period. Period. The difference between girl, every day, is more along the jawline, moving downward. Girl, every day. And now we're pushing in the thumb and moving it up a little. Period. Okay, and I'm adding one more someone just asked me about, the sign Arizona, the state, Arizona. Again, it's the A hand shape. Now turned this way, and the thumb just brushes or touches each side of the chin. It doesn't have to make contact, but should at least be close. Arizona. Arizona. Okay, again, let's review these similar signs. Yesterday, tomorrow, girl or girl, every day, ant, period, Arizona. Okay, I hope that this helped clarify these signs all near the chin that look kind of similar, but the meanings are different. Same as always, the hand shape, the palm orientation are really important. The movement is important. Did I forget something? A different sign that should have been included in this list? Yesterday, every day, tomorrow, girl, ant. What did I forget? Comment and let me know.